With a built-in recording system including AI summaries, 30 hours of recording time, and an app that keeps you very organized, and all of this packed into this compact pen form, the Flowtica Scribe is a great solution to take all of your meeting minutes, memos, and tasks. So let's check out what this thing can do. So here we have the Flowtica Scribe, and essentially it's a pen that not only records your meetings or memos, but it also uses AI to put them into any format that you want, and even remind you when things need to be done. And of course, with the twist of the nib, it's a real pen you can use to write with. So the great thing is, if you don't want people to know you're using an AI recording device, it looks just like a normal pen. You can sit there in your meeting and make sure that you don't miss a thing without anyone knowing, but of course most people are not going to have any problem with you recording if you're going to summarize the meeting up afterwards, and the control system is incredibly easy and discreet. So to use it, you just press the top to turn it on. If you want to record something, you just press and hold it down for 2 seconds, and you're also going to get a vibration to let you know it started recording, and then you also get a little red LED on the front as well, letting you know that it's still recording. Now you can just let it record and it's going to deliver a full transcript of what everyone says, but we also have a feature called Flow Mark, and this is essentially just a highlight of the transcript. So if someone's talking and something important comes up, all you have to do is press this button here on the front. It's then going to mark it as a key moment in the transcript and the summary. So probably the easiest way to look at this is to run a test, and we'll see what results we get from the recording. So this is the test with the Flowtica Scribe. So first thing I'm going to do is start recording. So this is a test with the Flowtica Scribe. I'm going to do some talking so that we can see the transcript and the summaries, see how it comes out, and see what we can do with AI to summarize and neaten it up for us. Now I'm actually doing a review of this pen. So first thing I need to do is figure out what the good things and the bad things are, all of its features and how that works. Next, I'm going to have to film this A-roll that I'm filming now. After that, I'm going to have to go ahead and film some B-roll. Then of course, once all that's finished, I'm going to have to film myself talking. And once I've done that, I can upload everything to the computer. I'm then going to have to edit it all. And then once that's all done, I can upload it to social media. So that's the recording done. So I'm just going to press and hold for 2 seconds. So if we take a look at the Flowtica app, you can see it's automatically created a summary for me. It's labeled the meeting type, given me an overview, and also created an action plan, which is pretty much a to-do list. And if I swipe over, I can see word for word the transcription. Now, of course, this means that say you've taken a meeting and you want to send out a summary to all of the participants, it's already done for you. Now, I think where the Flowtica Scribe really shines, however, is this speech button. So I can press this and ask it to do anything for me with this transcript. So of course, this was more of a to-do list for myself. So maybe I should have it that way in Flowtica. So if I ask Flowtica to change it to a to-do list, so instead of this summary, can you just make me a to-do list without all the fluff, just the tasks that I need to do? As you can see, it's created the to-do list for me, which I can copy and paste to go where I need it to go. And it also hasn't just created me a to-do list, it's also moved it to my to-dos in the Flowtica app, and I can go in here and tick them off as I go. Now, if I wanted meeting minutes, I just ask it for that. And as you can see, thanks to AI, we can pretty much ask it to organize and summarize our transcriptions in any way that we need. Now, I mean, even with this, you can see it was such a short bit of speaking, but it still managed to deliver some proper meeting minutes that I asked for, including my action plan at the bottom. So next we'll take a quick look through the app and how that works. So first up, we've got the to-do section. So anything like the action plan we just did, or any to-do lists, or simply just some reminders you've asked for are going to appear in here. And it also labels them as important using common sense. But in any part of the app, you can swipe left to give it a color tag. That color tag then appears as a selectable option at the top menu. You can easily swap between all of the menus at the top by pressing them, and in the top right corner we've got the pen, which just shows you the device and its settings, as well as its current battery level. The calendar, of course, brings up your calendar and shows everything that you've made notes of, or any tasks that need to be completed that you've added in to-do lists. And then finally, it's your account settings where you can go and change language, look at terms of use, etc. The plus icon at the bottom left lets you quickly add any to-dos, inspiration, or memos. So for instance, if I put Golf Wednesday at 3 PM, it's then added to my to-do list and can be put into my calendar. If you prefer to speak, you can just hold the speech button in the middle and tell it to add that memo or inspiration. And the ear is if you want to record with your phone using the app. And as with the pen, you can record a conversation or a meeting, etc. And the flag is going to let you highlight the key points the same as the button on the pen. If you press the camera, it's going to let you take a picture if maybe you've got some handwritten notes that you want to add in here, and it also keeps this photo along with the summary when it's finished processing all your transcript. This is also a pre-production unit that I'm using here, but it still worked incredibly well. Thanks to noise cancellation, it doesn't matter if I'm speaking in a quiet environment or a busy one, it can still pick up all of the speech and reduce the background noise, so we'll just take a listen to the audio sample now. So it's actually fairly quiet in here at the moment, so I've just put on YouTube some ambient office sounds. That on, so that's louder than it's ever going to be, and we'll just try. So this is a test recording with the Flowtica Scribe. I just want to know what it comes out like with the ambient noise. Does the noise reduction do a good job, and can it still hear my voice clearly? So this is a test recording with the Flowtica Scribe. I just want to know what it comes out like with the ambient noise. Does the noise reduction do a good job, and can it still hear my voice clearly? The finished production version of the Flowtica Scribe is going to allow recording for 30 hours, which is plenty, and I hope I never have to sit through a 30-hour meeting. But to charge it, we've got this magnetic connection near the top of the pen, and all you have to do is put the Flowtica Scribe charger on there, then plug in the USB-A connector. When it comes to the unboxing, we get this packaging here. So if we go ahead and open it up, you can see we first got the Scribe pen itself, followed by the charger and some spare ink pens. But overall, I've been really impressed with how well this works. Not only does it help you keep your life and your to-do list organized, but in an office environment or work environment, it's just an incredible tool to have around to ensure you never miss a thing again. And the fact that it's got all of these AI features that we can talk to just makes for endless possibilities in terms of summaries, write-ups, and transcriptions. Now, the Flowtica AI is powered by leading AI models such as GPT-4.1, O3 Mini, Claude 4 Sonnet, and Gemini 2.5 Pro, so you know it's up to any task. Whatever I've asked it to do in my testing is carried out successfully. Now, of course, for those of you that want to go ahead and grab yours today and get your life organized, I've placed a link down in the description below where you can go ahead and check it out. And hopefully I've covered everything in today's video, but of course, if there's anything I've missed or you've got any questions at all, then just ask them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with the latest tech.